On. Oh my god, that was so freaking fast, dude. Oh. Oh my god, dude. Giant snook. Please be on. Yeah, come on. Oh my god. Come on.
Summertime in Florida can be one of the most incredible times to go fishing. It can also be accompanied by some absolutely horrific rainstorms, but that's not all bad, because those storms can be a big break from the heat, and they can also help to create an insane bite with the pressure change. My friend Nate and I set out on a mission to catch some giant snook, and although I got distracted by some big seawall monsters, the plan came together after a few storms rolled through, and it was absolutely gorgeous out. This was an absolutely insane day with some absolutely memorable fish. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe.
What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Abenz Fishing. Today I'm out here with my good buddy Nate, who is back there. We got on some giant fish, and you guys are in store for an epic video. I went to pick up Nate, and before I even got him, I went and got mullet, and I got on some epic action. Seawall eats, OG Abenz stuff. Fires off, man. Absolutely awesome video. Before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that this video is brought to you by rightangler.com. Right Angler is a family-owned and operated business in my hometown, and I absolutely love working with them. They make hooks, line, all sorts of terminal tackle, pliers, which I have on my hip, so much different things that I use on a daily basis. So if you want to shop at rightangler.com, use my code BENZ15 to save 15% off of anything. Highly recommend their cast nets and their hook kits. Those are two things I use every single day that I fish. Anyways, guys, thank you so much to Right Angler for bringing this video. I'm gonna shut up. Let's get into the action. Let's throw another hog leg out there. This is the size mullet that freaking beast ate, and he ate it in one freaking bite, dude. I mean, that was nuts. Let's throw another hog leg out there. This is the size mullet that freaking beast ate, and he ate it in one freaking bite, dude. I mean, that was nuts. On. Oh my god, that was so freaking fast, dude. That was so fast. Big jack. That was so freaking fast. Wow. That was so fast. That's insane, dude. There's big bull sharks here, so I gotta keep this jack away. There's not really many places for it to go. Woo, he's swimming against the current. He's gonna tire himself out doing that. I'm literally waiting for my buddy Nate, who I'm meeting in like 20 minutes, and I stopped to get some mullet early. Ugh. Literally first bait down, no intro, no nothing. I do have an anchor out. It's about a 20-pound jack. Hello, buddy. Staging against the current, wrapping the tail. Now he's going with the current, taking off. There's a huge rip, dude. Like, you don't want to fall in here. And when a fish as strong as a Jack Crevalle gets going and tied like that, good luck turning him. I'm using my Fade Omen Black bait casting rod on my Concept A3, but I have lighter braid. I have two of these. One of them I keep strapped with like 50-pound braid, and then this one's some lighter line. That was so fast. I knew there was jacks, that's why I stopped to fish, because while I was catching bait, I caught some mullet that were way too big for me, because I want to catch snook later. So what did I do? I dropped them off the side of the boat, and dude, it was nuts. I shouldn't toy with the fish. I should just get her in, because like I said, there's huge sharks here. Oh, she seems to be running in a weird direction. It's a good jack. Oh yeah, it's a really good jack. That's over 20 pounds. 20, 25. You should see the size of the bait that it ate. Come on up, girl. God, she's strong. It's a good fighter too. I just marked my own fish on side scan. I don't know if I want to tail grab with all the bulls. Woo, that's tiring. Oh my God, I keep marking my own fish. God, they're strong. Come on, head up, head up. That's a big jack, wow. Kind of just want to leader grab it. Come on, head up, head up, head up, head up, head up. There we go. Yeah, just don't thrash like that. You're gonna let the sharks know you're here. Damn it, dude. Yeah. I gotta get my net. There's my freaking net. Solo fishing, baby. That's what I specialize in. This ain't a freaking bass, dude. Yeah. Come on, she's done. Okay. Wow, that's a big jack. Whew. Come on, girl. Dude. What? It's a fat jack. Right on the money. 25 pounds, 24 pounds. Guys, trying to make it quick for her. She's heavy. That's a 25-pound jack. That was way too fast for me. I need a second to warm up, dude. Holy smokes. On the spook? Dude, they just got smoked on the spook. Whoa. Oh, he's small though. That hit sounded ferocious.
Oh, he hit it hard. Kill that.
I kind of want to put this mullet back there, but he gets pulled into the dock so quickly. You could see where the current comes off that rock. Didn't get it. There it is. That's a freaking giant. Oh my God, dude. Oh, that was insane. Oh, dude, for sure. This is a perfect drift. I think I'm on. Drop it. Oh my God, instantly broke off. Drop it, drop it. No, that was a snook. I feel like a shithead. Broke me off on the piling. Just makes me mad. All right, y'all, Nate and I just pulled up to this spot where we have what's called whirlpooling current. So as the tide goes out, we found an area where it's also being pushed in. So typically when that happens, that means big fish hang out because they get a break from the current, so they don't have to just swim in place and exhaust themselves. And a lot of bait gets trapped. So yeah, we'll see. I'm using my Florida GT rod paired with a 13 Fishing AL 13 6.0. Right angler inline circle hook kit, right angler leader. Got the right angler pliers on the hip, which you can get all the gear at rightangler.com, code Abenz15, or you can get any of the 13 Fishing gear, code Abenz15, or You can get gear on my site, code Abenz15. I know, guys. Lots of codes, lots of different sites. I'm like a walking advertisement.
Oh, I caught a gill, dude.
No. Yeah, that's our sign to get the heck out of here. Oh. Oh my God, dude. Giant snook. Giant. Giant, giant. Giant, giant, giant. Going against the current. Oh my God, it's huge. What a run, huh? Guys, we were about to leave. I don't know if I got that eat. He's got an eel on his line, and I was like, well, that does it. Let's get out of here. And I started reeling in. And dude, mega snook on the Florida GT rod paired with the AL13 6.0. I mean, mega. This is freaking biting too. I don't know if you guys saw that first run. I mean, this guy dug deep. People always ask me if snook bite harder than striper. Yes. They're just faster. Good job, Nate. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my God, that's a freaking 40. Wow, just drop, just keep her,
I'll keep her anymore.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah. We can go get the camera hanging.
I want you to get in the corner of the mouth, but I don't think I can appreciate how big this snook is just yet. I mean, that is so big. Using a small right angler hook, too. I mean, this is a 4.0. But dude, this thing is huge, is it not?
That thing's massive.
I mean, oh my God. She's fresh too, because I had heavy gear. Wow, she's heavy. Let's get a measure.
That's gonna be 40 plus.
41 and a half, 41? Yeah, 41. All right, which way is the light good?
Towards me.
Guys, there it is. A freaking 41-inch gigantor. I mean, this thing is so big. How's she look, Nate?
Beautiful, that thing's huge.
Just so fat, guys. Like, I don't know if I'm doing her justice. She's so fat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set her down and I'm gonna risk my hand. Actually, no, I'm not. There's a lot of sharks, guys. I haven't seen any today. So I'm gonna use my boga just to be extra safe as I release this girl. Hold her right here in the current, swaying her nice and good. We are in one of those weird, like, she did it.
Nice.
She just about took my $300 boga. I lost my strap recently. Let's go get another. Guys, Nate and I just moved spots and we're marking more snook than I've ever marked in my life and catching none. That's just how it goes, I guess. I mean, we're marking like an extraordinary amount of fish. You'd think I'd just be hitting them on the head. I'm also gonna throw a weighted one down because we gotta go soon anyway. Bro, an unbelievable amount of snook. For mullet. Still alive too.
Is that you?
Yeah,
What the hell is that? Snook?
tarpon. Please be on. Yep, come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh my God. Come on. Oh, no way. You're not going back to the fence. Oh, okay, maybe you are. Come on. Oh. Okay. Heavy gear, guys, heavy gear.
Nope, nope, nope.
Woo! Heavy gear. Once again, packing up to leave. Is that how we catch fish, Nate? Did we just say we're leaving?
Call it and they have it.
Oh my God. Guys, I couldn't script this. We got to this spot, throwing mullet for what, 40 minutes? Literally couldn't get him to eat, marking him everywhere. Started reeling in all the rods and said, we're out. And then this happens. Got it. She's fresh because I called her in. So, oh man, that's not as big. That right angler circle hook did its job, that's for sure. I'm gonna go with that this fish is 37. What are we at, Nate? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37? Close?
Yep, close. Yeah,
Yeah,
right on there.
37. All right, guys. It's amazing the difference between a 37 and a 41. That's huge. You know, this is a very big snook, but it ain't a 40. Absolutely gorgeous. Darker tannins, or darker from the tannins in the water. This fish has obviously been hanging out back here, but same deal. We're gonna put her in the water. Grab her tail. Oh, she's off, dude. Sketchy here, man. There's a lot of sharks. All right.
All right.